Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Car Look. Today the 2025 Honda Super Cub continues the legacy of one of the most iconic motorcycles ever produced, blending timeless design with modern technology. At first glance, the Super Cub's classic retro aesthetic catches the eye, a nod to the original design that made it a cultural phenomenon. The 2025 model maintains this charm but with a refined, contemporary twist. The bike features a vibrant palette of color options, including the signature red, paying homage to its roots while appealing to a new generation of riders. Towering the 2025 Super Cub is a fuel-efficient, air-cooled 125cc engine, which has been updated to meet stricter emission standards, while still delivering a smooth and reliable performance. The engine is paired with a semi-automatic transmission, making it easy to ride for both beginners and experienced motorcyclists. The Super Cub's lightweight and compact frame ensure it's agile in city traffic and comfortable on longer rides, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting. Honda has integrated modern technology seamlessly into the Super Cub's classic design. The 2025 model comes with LED lighting, providing excellent visibility and a touch of modern sophistication. The digital instrument cluster is another upgrade, offering clear and concise information while maintaining the clean and uncluttered aesthetic that Super Cub fans love. There's also a keyless ignition system, adding a layer of convenience and security for the rider. The 2025 Super Cub doesn't just look good, it's also incredibly practical. With its comfortable seat and upright riding position, it's perfect for daily commuting or weekend leisure rides. The bike's suspension system has been fine-tuned for a smoother ride, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. The Super Cub also boasts improved fuel efficiency, making it not only a stylish choice but also an economical one. Honda's commitment to quality and reliability is evident in every detail of the 2025 Super Cub, from the durable build to the precision engineering. This motorcycle is designed to last. It's a bike that not only honors its storied past but also embraces the future with open arms. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to motorcycles, the 2025 Honda Super Cub offers a unique blend of heritage, innovation, and everyday practicality, making it a standout in the crowded motorcycle market. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.